Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a fiber optic technician, network engineer, or anyone who works with fiber, you know that having the right tools can make or break a job. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a piece of equipment that has been generating a lot of buzz. The Signal-Fire AI-30 Fusion Splicer. This isn't just another splicer. It's a complete, all-in-one solution designed to make your workflow faster, easier, and more precise. So, what makes the AI-30 stand out? Let's start with the core of its performance. This is a fourth-generation machine that uses core alignment technology with autofocus and 6 motors. What that means for you is incredible precision. With an accuracy of up to 0.05 micrometers, the splice loss is impressively low, just 0.02 decibels for single mode and 0.01 decibels for multi-mode fiber, and it's fast. We're talking a 6-second splice time and a 15-second heat time. This thing is built for speed and efficiency on the job site. Now, let's talk about one of the most innovative features, the integrated, electric one-step cleaver. If you've ever been frustrated with traditional mechanical cleavers, scratching the fiber in face during the back cut, you're going to love this. The AI-30 has an automatic delayed return that solves this problem. The delay is adjustable, but it ensures you get a perfect, clean cleave every single time. Plus, it's all built into one unit. The cleaver, the waste fiber box, and even a cleaning brush are all integrated, which is incredibly convenient. You just place the fiber, close the lid, and it cuts automatically. It's a game changer for consistency and ease of use. But the AI-30 is more than just a splicer and a cleaver. It also has a built-in optical power meter and a visual fault locator. The OPM is super versatile, with support for a wide range of wavelengths from 850 nanometers all the way up to 1650 nanometers. The VFL is a powerful 15 milliwatts and has both a steady-in and a flashing mode. Having these tools built right in means you don't have to carry around extra equipment. You can splice, test your connection loss, and verify continuity all with one compact device. It truly helps you assess the entire fiber link's transmission quality on the spot. Let's move on to usability. The AI-30 features a large 5-inch high-resolution screen. When you're looking at the X or Y axis individually, you get up to 320 times magnification. This lets you see the fiber cores with absolute clarity, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned before the splice. It's this visibility that makes the AI-30 so accurate. Powering all this is a robust 7,800 mAh lithium battery. On a full charge, which takes about 3.5 hours, you can get around 240 continuous splices and heats. That's more than enough to get you through a demanding day's work. And when the battery does run low, it's easily removable with just a light press. Signal-Fire has also packed this splicer with smart features. It connects to a mobile app, which is a fantastic addition. You can switch between 10 different languages, including English, Spanish, French, and more. More importantly, you can check all your splicing data right on your phone, download reports, and store your splicing records indefinitely in the cloud. This is perfect for record keeping and client reports. The kit also includes the 9-in-1 Signal-Fire stripper, which is like a Swiss Army knife for fiber prep, combining Miller pliers, wire strippers, scissors, and more. From the splicer to the prep tools, everything is designed to work together seamlessly. Whether you're working with single mode, multi-mode, bare fiber, or jumpers, this machine is equipped to handle it. In conclusion, the Signal-Fire AI-30 isn't just an incremental upgrade. It feels like a leap forward in fusion splicing technology. The integration of a high-quality electric cleaver, OPM, and VFL into one compact, fast, and highly accurate unit is incredibly impressive. It simplifies the entire process, reduces the amount of gear you need to carry, and delivers consistently excellent results. That's our detailed look at the Signal-Fire AI-30. If you're in the market for a new fusion splicer that prioritizes efficiency and precision, this is definitely one to consider. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. We'll see you in the next one.